Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add departments to your Zyqual account. This feature will allow you to better organize your school's information and improve communication within your faculties. Now, what are faculties? So in order to create a department, you will need to understand what a faculty is and why we have placed faculties on Zyqual for you to add your departments to. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to zyqual.com, and you can see the actual page link here, zyqual.com/faculty-guide. Or you can go to our blogs page or blog here and scroll down and look for a Jamaican School Faculty Guide. So as we develop this system to support Jamaican education system, we have incorporated what we call faculty, so that we can better able understand our group subjects to get data. So when we analyze teaching and learning performance, we can be able to get that information to support specific subjects, specific departments to improve or celebrate success within those areas. So it is important that you understand about the faculties and how or which subjects would fall under each faculty. Now, there is some flexibility and you do not have to stick to this 100%, but to make the system function seamlessly, you could follow this structure where possible to list your subjects. If you think that there are some faculties missing that you think would make sense to have, you can always contact us at admin@zyqual.com and we'll be happy to add those faculty to the system so you can better align your departments and subject. Now, the reason why we did not put department in this area is so that you can still choose which subject to go in which department. The only thing we're asking is that the subjects being delivered should fall under the specific faculty where possible. We understand that it may not work so in your school case, but where possible, then please make that happen. Now back to Zyqual. So to add departments, you will need to go to the admin area, scroll down and look for department master. There. I am using KC as an example school, and you can see here that we have the faculty sciences and we have a department called biology. So if I click edit there, you can see the list of faculties here, and we choose science because we want to create the department biology, and then we make it active. When we're choosing the departments to use in our observations, we can use the list order. So let's say if I put biology as 1 and save it, then when they're selecting the department for the user, biology will appear first in the list. So that's how you can place which item appear first in the list. So 1 first, and you can keep going down the ladder, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Right, so I'm going to cancel this. Now to add a new department, you would simply go to the add department button here, and you would choose which faculty you want to align a department to. So for example, and I just want to check to see which subjects goes best under that. So I'm looking at creative technologies. I could put art, textiles. So let's do textiles as an example. And the department I want to create is called textiles. And I'm going to make it active, and then I'm going to save. Now they may not do textiles, so I'm just simply going to remove that. So I search for it here, and I don't want this department, so I'm going to delete it. Now, if you start conducting lesson observations and persons observations or appraisals are linked to these departments and faculties, you will not be able to delete them. So ensure that you checked with your SLT team or your vice principal and principal for all of these different departments before you move on. Now at KC, here are all the departments that they have. So there is currently 15 departments, and they teach a range of how many subjects? 45 subjects. And then over here they've listed the class names. So it's important that your class names are not named after teachers, but would reflect different groups within a particular year group, so that we can then align them to the subjects, and subjects will be aligned to departments. So just to look over quickly, to add a department, you go to the admin area, you select department master, you click add department, you choose the faculty you want to align it to. To get an idea about faculties, you can look on our faculties page. You can find this on zyqual.com/faculty guide, or you can go to Zyqual's blog and look for Jamaican school faculty guide, and you'll be able to find it there.